How to request price adjustment on Temu. Requesting price adjustment from Temu allows customers to claim a refund if the item's price drops within a specified time frame after purchase. Now, in order for you to get this done, I'm going to go ahead and show you the policy here. We're just going to go ahead and click the U button down here, and then at the top you have here the support. If you're going to click that one, we should be able to read here the policy. So go ahead and click policy. I want you to open it, and then you have here Temu's price adjustment policy. So yep, if say for example the price adjustment button has not appeared in there, there is actually a reason for it. It's not available for price adjustment policy. So here in the policy, they are actually discussing which items or products are eligible for those price adjustments. So you may be able to read them here. You also have here something that says fees including but not limited to shipping fees will be excluded for any price adjustment calculation. Basically, we are only calculating the product itself. Now anyway, how do we get this one? We can go ahead and back here to our profile, and then we're going to go ahead and click your orders. As of the moment, I don't have any orders, but basically you're going to head over to the delivered items, and here in the delivered items you're going to go ahead and locate that particular item. Once you have seen that item, you're just going to go ahead and click it, and then there is an option in there. It says request a price adjustment. You can just go ahead and click that one. After clicking that one, you will be asked to select a refund method. So go ahead and choose the best offer in there, which is your Temu credit balance. It's the fastest one. The refund timeline is typically less than 3 minutes. So go ahead and choose that one. Once you have requested, you should be able to find here the refund details. It's going to present right after that one. So yep, that is basically how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out. Once again everybody, there is a $100 coupon code available by clicking the link in the description box and the comment section. You can also use our referral code to enjoy a special discount of 30%. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this video helps you out.